name's Eric. This is a 2001 XJ, 4.5 inches of lift, 33s,
yep.
rock slides, pretty much it.
Awesome, let's go wheeling.
Try something different with you.
Okay.
Cut it driver when you start to climb on this side. Cut it driver unless I tell you to not do it. Okay. I want to try something. All right, come on. All right, cut it driver. Now you still gonna slide up. Come on, you're good as round.
I think we're on the rear diff is what we're on.
Is that what we're on?
Yeah, that's what we're on.
All right, back up. Realign you, keep going until you. I don't want you to break back. Okay, that's all right. Watch this. All right, kind of this way.
Okay, so now we're on a front control arm. We'll get this, Eric. Don't you worry.
Don't worry. Look,
Bring it back up this log again.
it's not a street vehicle.
Oh, all right, nice.
What'd he say?
It's not his daily, so you don't.
Oh, okay, that takes good off. Right.
Yep. You missed it.
Get faster.
All right, that's looking good. It's that rear diff again.
Yep.
You want to bring them around to the other side, the swimming pool? All right.
Bump it.
Bump it pretty good.
What, can you have that person for me?
Watch that. Yeah, bump it pretty good. Back. All right, go back a little bit more now. When you come up, are you driving a stick or
Automatic.
Okay, when you second time down, when you come up, when this one pops up, you kind of like stalling out. Just keep giving it some gas.
Okay, I'm just worried about launching it. That's why.
Oh yeah, I got you. I know a little bit of first aid. We're good.
Okay.
Right, go for it. There you go.
There you go.
Nice. Woo!
Pretty work.
Good driving.
Did he hit the tree?
No.
Shows Eric up Big Daddy. See if he can do it. Oh, everybody gets stuffed. No, no stuff. No stuff. Oh, he's stuffed a little bit. Oh, that's good.
All right, get a picture and I'll back up.
Let me pan around. Safety third. So, that is a good shot, man. For all you at home, it's a lot more impressive in person, I assure.
I was gonna say, you ain't getting on there. We're not gonna have that light doing.
Hey, Eric. Wyatt.
Hey, Eric.
Thanks for coming out here today, Eric.
No problem.
Tell me about your rig, man.
So it's a 2001 XJ with 216,000 miles on it.
Wow.
It's got a 4.5-inch lift on it, rock slides, lunchbox lockers front and rear, and 33s.
Okay. It's short and sweet. I like it. On the 2001, I believe that was the one that had some head issues, right?
Supposedly.
Okay.
I don't have any problems with mine.
Knock on wood.
Yeah, I'm not going to run and find a tree.
Yeah, I hear you. Eric, tell me a little bit about yourself, your background.
So I'm a regional supervisor for a pest control company, and I travel all the states of Virginia, Maryland, DC, and Carolina Monday through Friday, so I like to have fun on the weekends.
Okay, so from pest control and getting into the wheeling hobby, tell me how that happened.
I've always been into it since I was 16 when we were going mudding at the amphitheater in Virginia Beach before it was the amphitheater.
Yeah. And you've done some traveling in your Jeep, or?
Yeah. So we've been to Oak Ridge for Wheeling for Hope, and we're hoping the next weekend to either go to Roush Creek or up in Charlottesville somewhere and maybe hit a couple of trails up there.
All right. Are you heading out with a group?
I'm hoping to find a group, but not as of now. We're going by ourselves.
All right. Well, I hear that's a big no-no.
Yeah, I'm sure this time of year there'll be somebody up there though that we can
tag along.
Yeah.
With. And you have a winch on the front, just making sure that at least you'll be able to get yourself out of some.
And I have one I can put in my rear receiver.
Okay, tell me about that.
So it's just a winch and a cradle, and then I have some cables that I can run up to the battery, and just if I can't pull myself out forward, I definitely pull myself out backward.
Gotcha. Are you a snatch block guy as well?
So I do have a snatch block. I don't use your typical snatch block because I have synthetic rope, so it's the little pulley with the soft shackle, and it does its job.
Okay, because we put a video up on our YouTube channel of a guy that had several pulleys, and he was actually able to use his own winch to pull himself backwards. So I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it was pretty interesting to watch. So instead of you having to lug around the extra winch to put on the back, if you carry around a couple of extra pulleys, you'd be able to do
I got you. Well. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So save you some weight and some trunk space, especially on the XJs. When you first got this thing, man, tell me, what drove your purchase and getting an XJ and of all the vehicles you got.
So my cousin, I went to go visit my cousin a couple years ago, and we went to the Ozarks, and it got me hooked again because I got married and had kids, and it kind of took the toys away, and now the kids are old enough to where I could start having toys again.
Right. That makes sense. And these are really affordable to get into, right?
Yes. Well, they're getting up there now.
Yes.
I think you're finding them for like 10 grand now.
Certain rust-free, decently modified or non-modified models. I'm with you. What's in store for this thing, Eric? What's next?
I'm trying to go up to 35, so I might have to bump it up to a 6-inch lift, and then nothing really too much more than that. I mean, I'm not trying to be an extreme, buggy out of it. I just want to drive and be comfortable and know that I can drive home if I had to.
Well, that 6 inches, believe it or not, probably is going to be a pretty major modification for you, right? Because you're either going to have to lower your control arms or maybe do a long arm, or. So
I'm going to do the adjustable control arms, and just I got to replace the 4.5-inch spring with a 6-inch spring, and then replace the 4.5-inch leaf with a 6-inch leaf.
And then your shocks?
Oh, they're good.
Okay, cool.
I have the Fox shocks that are actually good to a 6.5-inch lift.
Oh, very nice. Save yourself a good bit of money, and those are nice shocks too. They're obviously impressive, especially what they can do right here on Big Daddy. Tell me about your experience out here today, Eric.
It's been great. It let me see how much the flex there really is in my rig, because I normally never get out and look. I usually just keep going and following the group. I recommend it if you're trying to get into this. It's a great place to learn because there's plenty of experience to get you out.
I appreciate that. And how'd you find out about us?
Facebook.
Okay. Was it an advertisement or?
No, it was just in one of the groups. It was probably in 757 Jeep. It's hard to say. I'm in all the Jeep for yeah.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, that helps me understand that we're making our presence now. So, Eric, you know, with that being said, man, I appreciate you doing this interview, man. Telling us a little bit about yourself and about your rig. And I want to transition real quick and just let the people at home know that if you'd like to come out here and have an experience like Eric did, make sure you head over to w2wparks.com, make a transaction. Once you make your transaction, head over to the W2W Proving Grounds on Facebook. Take a look at our calendar there and either mark interested or going, and then that gives you the opportunity to be able to come out here and wheel at the Proving Grounds. Make sure you like this video, share this video with all your friends. That helps us bring the dream come true to have an off-road park here at Hampton Roads. And we look forward to seeing you guys out wheeling. Eric, thanks again.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
Until next time.
You're touching the log over here? Right in the middle pretty much, so if you back up a little bit and then cut driver, then you'll miss it. All right. You're hitting it a little bit, but that's okay. You're clear. Nice. Coming this way. Your pumpkin's on the edge of the tire. I don't think that's gonna, you might want to come over here. I don't know how to communicate what's going on. His pumpkin is square on that tire.
Yeah.
And it's not coming off unless he backs up, I'm guessing.
Back up some more. All right.
Yeah.
Go. Keep going. All right. Stop.
That's there you go. Yeah.
I broke my zip tie.
I got part of your suspension here.
Zip ties and duct tape.
That's right.
Mine's held together by zip ties, yes.